Welcome guys, here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today it's time for pasta. We're going to make a pasta with the green herb sauce and frutti di mare. Okay guys, this is a really quick recipe to make. It takes 9 minutes to cook the spaghetti al dente, and we start cooking the pasta, and meanwhile we're going to make the rest of the recipe. Okay, we start off. So, some pasta in some boiling salted water. Okay, so I've got a food processor here. We're going to start making the sauce, the green herb sauce. So, 1 garlic clove. Then, going to add like half a tablespoon of capers. Okay, 1 jalapeño. And I roughly cut it, I cut it into 4 pieces. Then the green herbs. Got some parsley right here. Okay, parsley, basil. Just take off the rough stalks. The smell of the basil is amazing. Okay, so we have parsley, we have basil. Okay, good splash of olive oil. Maybe 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. Some red wine vinegar. Great. Then, juice of half a lemon. Bit of salt. And some pepper. Here we go. And if you make sauces, if you make dressings, make sure you give it a taste. Here we go. Nice texture. Boom, this is it. It has the acidity, the creaminess of the oil, and these beautiful flavors of the different herbs. This is the base for making the pasta. So, next step, I'm going to chop a shallot. There we go. Frying pan, medium to high heat, splash of olive oil. And I add the shallot, the rings of shallot. And now it's time to add the frutti di mare. So what I'm using is frozen seafood. It's really good. So you can buy these instant packages with a mix of different seafood, or maybe you have leftovers from your previous seafood meals you made. So we have some prawns here, nice prawns. We have some small scallops, pétoncle, how they call them in France, often coming actually from South America and the Mediterranean. And we have mussels. We love mussels. My last book was all about mussels, so why not using them too? So this is the seafood mix. So I take a handful, maybe a bit more, and I drain it on a piece of kitchen paper. Now we have the seafood. Okay, so this is the seafood, the pure seafood, together with the shallot. Not much going on right now, but we're going to change that within the next minute, because we want to create a bit of crunchiness on the outside of the fish. So we want to create like a bit caramelization. And then we add this delicious sauce, the green sauce, to it. And we give it a toss. There it goes, nice. Oh, the smell is amazing. But the texture of the sauce is a bit firm. We want to create a bit more liquid, but it also, the starch in this water is really excellent for the flavor of the sauce. So we add a bit of the pasta water, and we take down the heat to low to medium. Look at this, amazing. Now, next step, pasta. Check for the pasta. Al dente. Pepper. Nice. Now I give it a toss. Good. Okay, so now we're going to serve it on a plate. A bit of molten sea salt. Okay, to garnish, a bit of basil. Just give it a bit of extra olive oil here. Here we go. A very quick to make pasta with green sauce and frutti di mare. So, let's have a taste. Pasta, sauce, some mussels, little scallops, prawns. Here we go. Wow, this is so simple, but simple things are often simply delicious. The pasta with this green herb sauce, the beautiful flavors of the green herbs, the creaminess of the olive oil, the kick of the jalapeño, the acidity of the lemon. and the red wine vinegar. It's really, really good, and it's quick and easy to make and affordable. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. And please subscribe to our channel, Bart's Fish Tales. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.